Hi, I'm Betsy and welcome to my kitchen. My favorite thing to do with my nut butters is to take an ordinary recipe and make it extraordinary. That's why we're going to elevate your traditional peanut butter and jelly sandwich to a gourmet peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Today we're doing the blackberry and mint sandwich. So this inspiration is for the springtime when the blackberries are in season. So you're going to take your Betsy's Best gourmet nut butter. I'm choosing the peanut butter for this recipe. So you go ahead and spread your peanut butter across your whole wheat bread. Hopefully it's a whole wheat bread or a gluten-free bread if you're following a gluten-free based diet. And then we're going to use some of the fresh black raspberries that are in season in the springtime. So we also, along with the black raspberries, we're going to do a blackberry jelly preserve or a jam of your preference. So you probably never thought to actually add the fresh fruit on top of this, but this is your traditional nut butter and jelly sandwich. So we're going to make it gourmet by adding some mint leaves to it to give it a nice spring fresh taste. And then we're going to sandwich that in between with these nice juicy blackberries. And this will kind of give that sandwich a little twist and an extra kick and really make it that gourmet sandwich that your taste buds are looking for. Voila! You have a unique gourmet mint and black raspberry peanut butter and jelly sandwich made with Betsy's Best. From my kitchen to yours, have a healthy day.